I've been wanting to do a day in the life video for a really long time, like 3 years, and I just haven't done it. So today we're just gonna make it happen. But I realize I've already committed a sin of day in the life videos, so I gotta start in bed, waking up. First item on the agenda is to look at my COVID results from yesterday to see if I get kicked off campus for 2 weeks. Negative.
This is Nick. This is Jack. And this is Snacks Daily. It is Thursday, October 8th. Thursday is the new Friday, and we happen to have the best one yet. This is straight up TBLI. First story, Jack, what do we got over here? Levi's stock Joe.
RX bar, some water, while I do a little bit of work before my run. Alright, I'm here with David and going for a nice cool morning run here in, well, now we're approaching the city. This is where a lot of my friends live. And this is where I live. So easy 9 miles, around 7:15 pace. Just a fantastic morning. Just kidding. Alright, so now it's time for oatmeal, a shower, and then head up to campus. Now, first thing, I'm just gonna make a stop in St. Mary's Chapel on campus for a few minutes of prayer. It is one of the most beautiful spots on campus, and it's an incredible chapel. That's really just a perfect place to pray and be silent. So first things first, I've got a Zoom call at 11 going over a new video project that I'm doing for one of the offices I intern for here at school. All right, everyone say hi.
Hi, Darius.
Perfect. And then I've got class at 12, and then I've got class at 4:30. A 2.5 hour class. So I'm just going to do some reading before my 12 o'clock class. So for my history of philosophy class, we just finished the medievals with Aquinas and Occam. Now we're starting the modern philosophers with Descartes, Pascal, and Spinoza. Sounds fun, right? I don't know. Some of this will go in the day in the life.
Well, can we do something cooler?
I am is a proposition with a subject and a predicate. I is the subject, am is the predicate. Is am or existence necessary to the I? No. You can have a concept of Descartes that doesn't exist. Maybe Descartes the fictional being.
If you don't know who Peter Craycraft is, you're missing out. He's my favorite professor here at BC, and also just one of the most well-known and respected authors, Catholic authors in the country. He's like 82 years old, sharp as a tack. He's so smart, and he's written like 80 books, like literally like 80 books.
You cannot deduce its existence from its essence. And so I'm trying to...
All right, so I'm finished with my first class now, and I've got about 3 hours. I'm going to return some camera equipment that I borrowed. Then I'm going to pick up a package, probably going to prepare dinner a little bit, and then finally I'm going to work on my speech that I have to present tomorrow at 9 a.m. that I haven't really started, but it'll be fine. How long can I leave frozen chicken out to thaw? Yeah, I know that. Up to 3 days before cooking. Yes. Okay, so it turns out that I don't need to cook my chicken tonight. I've got another day to make a chicken dinner. So I'm gonna stay on Middle Campus, do some work, and then I'll go get a burrito for dinner. I'm here to return equipment, Craycraft. Thank you very much. I could go in a library to work, but I don't work in libraries. It's hard to tell, but I am wearing a helmet. Now we're back on Lower Campus where my room is. Hello. Craycraft. Thank you. Nice. Screwdriver, blah 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 blah. That's kind of cool. So I got about an hour of work done, and then kind of a late lunch, early dinner. Now I'm going up to my 4:30 class. All right, leaving class now, and it is dark out. That is that classic New England / Boston early sunset time, which is kind of depressing. So now I'm gonna head over to a meeting for a group or a club on campus called Sons of St. Patrick, and we'll have some prayer, and then we have a speaker each week. So, and then I'll get dinner. Welcome. Thank you. Say hello, Gerard.
Who's this?
It's a camera.
What?
It's a camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can say hi or... All right, the meeting's over. Now I'm going to pick up my burrito, cutting through the garage. Gonna eat that, do work on my speech for an hour and then go to Mass.
What's the name?
Harris Craycraft.
Harris?
Thank you. Have a nice night. You already know what is up. So I finished my burrito and got my speech about 85% done, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Now I'm heading up to the top of campus where we have our 10 p.m. candlelight mass, which is just a beautiful, quiet, reflective way to end the evening. A reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Galatians. O stupid Galatians, who has bewitched you, before whose eyes Jesus Christ was publicly portrayed as crucified? I want to learn only this from you. Did you receive the Spirit from works of the law, or from faith in what you had heard? After beginning with the Spirit, are you now ending with the flesh? Did you experience so many things in vain? If indeed it was in vain. Does then the one who supplies the Spirit to you and works mighty deeds among you do so from works of the law, or from faith in what you heard? The word of the Lord.
It's dark. Do your homework and pray.
Alright, so leaving Mass now. I'm gonna go work for probably another hour or two. Probably start editing some of this footage. I realized this maybe wasn't the best day to film this video because I didn't see anybody and couldn't feature many people on the... So it is now 2 a.m. I've got 2% battery life and I am heading home. I've got my speech in 7 hours. I'm really tired. This is about probably an hour and a half later than I usually head home. But it's just me and the open road. Gonna get some sleep. Got some kayaking and Shrek marathon tomorrow because it's Friday, so I'm looking forward to that. And then when I get home, I'll do 10 to 15 minutes of spiritual reading. Currently, I'm reading an awesome book by Ralph Martin, A Spiritual Journey to God based off the wisdom of the saints. I'm really enjoying it and would highly recommend it to anyone struggling on the spiritual journey, which, well, is everyone, starting with me. So it's me from the future. I hope you enjoyed that video. I just spent pretty much the last 12 hours editing it, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. That was a pretty typical day for me. Normally I would see a couple people during the day, but this was really just a lot of work and to and from classes, and yeah, Boston College is a pretty cool place. Thanks for watching.